Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about how you can enable developers option in your device Vivo V25 Pro. So if you want to enable your developers option in your device, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we move on to those steps, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can enable developers option in your device.